Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the DevOps Lite YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another code engineering task. I am here on the Chrome browser. On search bar, let me type engineer.codecloud.com/login. Enter. I directly got this task. Why? Because I auto saved my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. In this video, we will see how to solve a Jenkins scheduled jobs task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the recording here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look at the solution. The DevOps team of Extrusion Corp Industries is working on to set up centralized logging management system to maintain and analyze server logs easily. Since it will take some time to implement, they wanted to gather some server logs on a regular basis. At least one of the app server is having issues with the Apache server. The team needs Apache logs so that they can identify and troubleshoot the issues easily if they arise. So they decided to create a Jenkins job to collect logs from the server. Please create or configure a Jenkins job as per details mentioned below. Click on the Jenkins button on the top bar to access the Jenkins UI. Login using username admin and password admin32. Let me click on this Jenkins button. It is loading. Meanwhile, let me copy the password. Here, let me type admin as the username and password is what they have given here in the task. Click on sign in. We got our Jenkins dashboard. Now, number 1. Create a Jenkins job named copy-logs to configure it to periodically build every 6 minutes to copy the Apache logs, both access_log and error_logs from app server 1 from default logs location to location/usr/src/it admin on storage server. Note: you might need to install some plugins and restart Jenkins service, so we recommend clicking on Restart Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running on plugin installation or update page, that is Update Center. Also, Jenkins UI sometimes gets stuck when Jenkins service restarts in the backend. In this case, please make sure to refresh the UI page. 2. Please make sure to define new cron expression like this: */10 *****. This is just an example to run job every 10 minutes. 3. For these kind of scenarios requiring changes to be done in a web UI, please take screenshots so that you can share it with us for review in case your task is marked incomplete. You may also consider using a screen recording software such as loom.com to record and share your work. Okay, so here our job is to create a Jenkins job with a name copy-logs, and then for every 6 minutes that job has to run so that it will copy all the Apache logs from the app server 1 to the storage server in this particular location. Okay, so in order to copy log files from one server to another server, we can make use of the SCP command through SSH protocol. Okay, so let me try to do the same here. Let me first click on Manage Jenkins. I just wanted to verify whether SSH plugins are available by default in the in our Jenkins server or not. If not, we will install it because we need to transfer log files from app server 1 to the storage server. So here, once we click on manage Jenkins, in Jenkins dashboard, we will get this screen like this and come down under system configuration, click on plugins. Here we click on install the plugins. Install plugins are the plugins that are installed in our Jenkins server. Available plugins are the plugins that are available in the internet that we have to install in order to make use of those plugins in our system. So first we are verifying, right? So let me click on install the plugins and type SSH. No, it is not there. Let me click on available plugins, type SSH, hit enter. Now you see it is the available plugin section. So whatever the plugin is in the available plugin, it will not be visible in install plugins. It should be visible in any one of the places. In both places, it will never be there. Okay, let me install this SSH plugin, and then we need to store credentials. So select this SSH credentials plugin, and then we need to transfer files, right? So publish over SSH plugin. Okay, we click on install. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to complete installation of our Jenkins plugins. Let's wait for a while. It is done. Now let me click on restart Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running. Our Jenkins server is restarting. It will load automatically when Jenkins is ready. Let's wait for a while. Now again let me give the password and username. Click on sign in. Let me click on manage Jenkins again. Let me click on available plugins. Search for SSH now. It is not visible. So let me go to install the plugins. Okay, as it was taking some time, let me click on dashboard. Okay, so here click on manage Jenkins again. Come down here, click on under security, click on credentials. Click on system. Click on add domain. Here let me type app server 1 details. Click on these details of all users in servers button. Since they are asking for us to copy app server 1 Apache logs, let me take those details. Type app server. Here domain name, our choice, we can give anything that we want, but it should have some name. Click on add credentials. By default, credentials kind is user name with password. Let it be. Here let me type, paste the password that we copied. Go back here. Tony is the username. Do the same here. Click on create. Click on system again. This time let me add storage server. Click on create. Click on add credentials. Copy the password. Natasha is the username. Yeah. Natasha is the username. Password. I'm not going to do any other values. I'm keeping them default. Click on create. Go back to manage Jenkins again. Now let me add the SSH servers. Under system configuration, click on system. Here, so there is something called as SSH remote host. Click on add host name. Let me give the host name. STApp01. Then port. SSH port runs on 22, so I'm giving 22. Credentials. Tony. Then let me select this PTY. Click on check connection to validate the status of our SSH connection from our Jenkins server to the app server. Successful connection. Same way, let me click on add. Let me do this time. Let me do for the storage server STSTWAR01. Host name is STSTWAR01. Port is 22. Credentials. Select Natasha. Select this PTY. Now let me click on check connection. Yes, we have successful connection. Click on save. Now let me go to our task again. Here copy underscore logs is the job name that we need to create. Copy the name of the job that they asked us to do. Here click on create a job. Paste the name. Click on freestyle project. Select a freestyle project. Click on OK. Let me go to task again. Configure periodically build every 6 minutes. Okay, they have given the format. Copy it. Come here in Jenkins server. Under build triggers, click on build periodically. Under schedule, paste the pattern that we copied from the task UI. And since they asked us to run this job for every 6 minutes, let me remove 10 and put 6 here. And then under add build step, select execute shell script on remote host using SSH. Here command should be, let me go to our task UI. From jump host, let me log into app server 1 to know about the log path. Type SSH Tony @stapp01. Type yes. Paste the password that we copied just now. Enter. Now let me go to CD var logs /var /log +-l. Okay, here they mention like Apache server, right? Apache server is this one folder. Let me go to CD httpd. Now do ls-l. Okay, here we have do the pwd. pwd stands for present working directory. Let me copy the path. Go back to our Jenkins server. Paste it. And then // let me click on this plus button. In this terminal, let me log into storage server SSH. And what is the server name? Sorry, username Natasha and the server name Natasha @ststwar01. Enter. Type yes. Place the password of storage server. Enter. Now let me go to this particular path here. Type cd. Paste it. Enter. No such file directory. Storage server /user/src. Like the admin, so we need to use slash at the beginning. Now to ls-la, no files here. And then ssh pass ip. What is the password of our storage server? scp-p-o. And then path. That's it. This is the path. Period. ststwar01 /user/src/ copy this path, paste it, and then click on save. Click on build now. Yes, it worked. Let me complete it. Go to terminal 2. Let me do ls-la. I go to cd/usr/src/it-admin. To ls-la. We can able to see these two files here in the storage server. As we have completed the task, let me click on this check button. Click on confirm. System is evaluating our work. Yes, we did it correct. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another Cloud Engineer task. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Please let me know in the comments in case you are having any queries related to any Cloud Engineer task or any DevOps tool and AWS Cloud. Thank you.